Hello and welcome back to another After Effects video. So in this video, what I've got is I have a Illustrator document here, which has got an alpha channel. So we can take a look at the alpha channel here, and you can see that we have the alpha channel selected. So what it means is that you can then use an alpha matte to do some things with it. So what I've done is I've just resized it and made it go across the stage. So we'll get our background picture here. So I was going to use the grass I have, I think. Yep. So we'll put that one down here. And what we also want to do is we want to actually just copy and paste it below as well. Okay, so what I want to do first of all is I want to put this effect in here, the invert effect. So we'll put this on the higher level. You see that's what it does, right? And you can see it goes across. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to put the alpha matte on. And so that will have the invert effect. One of the interesting things about the invert effect as well is that you can do some pretty interesting effects. Like if you did this on, these ones are pretty cool, the quadrature luminance. Look at the effect you get with that one. And then here with the mode, add is obviously the most common mode you might want to use there. Gives you a pretty cool effect. Luminance also gives you a pretty cool effect. Depending on what you're going for, what sort of shapes. You can imagine if this was text. And this is the thing, like most stuff from like Illustrator's got an alpha channel, so you'll be able to do this sort of thing. And in general, it's just a pretty good way to do it. You just have the video clip twice. The bottom video clip you leave completely blank. The second one you apply the alpha onto you apply the alpha matte using this, and then you can just essentially just mess around with the modes, and then this invert channel. You also have the option of doing this as well, which also can potentially yield some interesting results. Like this, for instance, if the lines in the pencil weren't there, that would actually work pretty well. Because I think this idea of getting more detailed information, like the actual, it actually revealing more detailed information is pretty interesting. So, till next time, thanks for watching.